Your legs weaken first. After 50, you must eat these 9 foods to strengthen them. One day, a dear friend of mine, a nutrition specialist with years of experience working with older adults, sat me down and shared something that forever changed the way I view aging. He explained that as we grow older, the first noticeable sign isn't necessarily wrinkles or gray hair, but the gradual weakening of our legs. He described how many people begin to struggle with everyday activities like standing up from a chair or climbing a few stairs, and how this weakness can compromise balance and independence. According to him, the secret to maintaining strong, resilient legs lies not only in exercise, but in what we eat. He stressed that certain nutrient-dense foods can rebuild muscle fibers, support robust bone health, and even improve circulation in our lower body. His words resonated deeply with me, and today I want to share with you 9 powerful foods that can help fortify your legs after 50 and keep you moving with confidence. Let's begin with salmon, a food that many associate with heart health, but which also offers incredible benefits for your legs. Salmon is loaded with high-quality protein, the essential building block that repairs and builds muscle tissue. In addition, it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation that often plagues aging joints and muscles. This means that regular consumption of salmon can not only help maintain muscle mass, but also reduce stiffness and discomfort in your legs. Moreover, salmon is a natural source of vitamin D, vital for calcium absorption and bone strength. When your bones are strong, your muscles have a stable framework to support movement. A simple grilled or baked salmon fillet, lightly seasoned with lemon and herbs, can easily become a weekly ritual that fuels your legs for everyday tasks and even for a brisk walk in the park. Next, consider sweet potatoes. These humble tubers are far more than just a tasty side dish. They are a powerhouse of complex carbohydrates that release energy gradually. This slow release is crucial for maintaining steady blood sugar levels and providing the sustained energy your leg muscles need to function efficiently. Sweet potatoes also contain beta-carotene and other antioxidants that protect muscle tissue from the wear and tear of everyday activities. When your muscles are shielded from oxidative stress, recovery becomes quicker and discomfort diminishes. Enjoy them baked, mashed, or even as lightly seasoned fries, and you'll find that your legs feel more energetic and less prone to sudden fatigue throughout the day. Oats have long been recognized as a staple of healthy eating, and they serve a unique role in supporting leg strength as well. The soluble fiber found in oats, particularly beta-glucan, helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is essential for consistent energy release. This means that when you start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal, you're not just nourishing your body with fiber, but you're also providing your leg muscles with a steady supply of energy to meet the demands of the day. Oats also contain important minerals like magnesium and iron. Magnesium prevents muscle cramps and ensures smooth muscle contractions, while iron boosts oxygen transport to tired muscles. Whether you enjoy them as a breakfast porridge blended into smoothies or even baked into healthy pancakes, oats can be the cornerstone of a diet that supports sustained lower body strength. Avocados are another remarkable food on this list. Known for their creamy texture and rich flavor, avocados are bursting with monounsaturated fats that help reduce inflammation and keep your joints well lubricated. This is particularly important for maintaining flexibility in the legs, as stiff joints can hinder movement and contribute to muscle weakness. Avocados are also high in potassium, a mineral crucial for proper muscle function and preventing cramps. Many older adults experience leg cramps due to an imbalance of electrolytes, and a medium avocado provides a robust dose of potassium that can help mitigate these uncomfortable spasms. Incorporate avocados into your meals by adding them to salads and blending them into smoothies, or simply enjoying them on whole grain toast as a nutritious snack that supports both muscle and joint health. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, offer an array of antioxidants that are key to maintaining strong, healthy muscles. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress, a process that can gradually damage muscle cells and lead to increased fatigue. Berries also supply vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen strengthens tendons, ligaments, and muscle fibers, ensuring that your legs remain resilient under the strain of daily activities. With their natural sweetness and low sugar content, berries make a perfect addition to breakfast bowls, yogurt, or even enjoyed on their own as a light, refreshing snack. Over time, the consistent consumption of these antioxidant-rich fruits can help reduce the wear and tear that inevitably comes with age. Greek yogurt might not be the first food that comes to mind when you think about leg strength, but its benefits are significant. This thicker, creamier version of yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, crucial for repairing and building muscle tissue. Beyond protein, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which support a healthy digestive system and ensure that the body efficiently absorbs all the essential nutrients from the foods it consumes. A well-functioning digestive system means that minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and even vitamin D are effectively utilized, nutrients indispensable for strong bones and muscles. Enjoy Greek yogurt on its own. Mix it with fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey, or use it as a base for smoothies to start your day off with a leg-strengthening boost. Nuts, including almonds, walnuts, cashews, and pistachios, are small but mighty allies for your legs. These nutrient-dense snacks provide a balanced mix of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals such as magnesium and zinc. Magnesium is vital for muscle relaxation and preventing cramps, while zinc supports tissue repair and overall immune function. Walnuts, in particular, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation, a common culprit behind joint and muscle discomfort. Even a small handful of nuts each day can help maintain steady energy levels and contribute to muscle recovery, making them a perfect option for a midday snack or an addition to your breakfast bowl. Spinach is a classic example of a superfood that supports muscle and bone health simultaneously. This leafy green is loaded with iron, which helps transport oxygen to your muscles, ensuring they have the fuel they need to perform. Spinach is also rich in calcium and magnesium, minerals that are fundamental for bone density and muscle function. Additionally, spinach contains nitrates, which help dilate blood vessels, enhancing blood flow to your legs and reducing the risk of cramping. Whether you prefer raw spinach in salads lightly sautéed with garlic and olive oil or blended into a green smoothie, this vegetable is a must-have in any regimen aimed at preserving lower body strength. The final food to consider is fortified plant-based milk. Options such as soy milk, almond milk, or oat milk are not only suitable for those who avoid dairy, but they are often enriched with calcium, vitamin D, and sometimes even extra protein. As we age, maintaining adequate levels of vitamin D becomes increasingly important for bone density and muscle function. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to the weakening of the bones and muscles, particularly in the legs, which in turn increases the risk of falls. Fortified plant-based milk provides a convenient way to ensure that you're receiving these critical nutrients. You can use these milks in your morning cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or simply drink them as a refreshing beverage. They serve as an easy dietary addition that supports both skeletal and muscular health, especially when combined with the other foods mentioned. Each of these 9 foods plays a unique and vital role in keeping your legs strong and resilient. Salmon rebuilds and repairs muscle tissue with its high-quality protein and omega-3s. Sweet potatoes provide a steady, long-lasting energy source while protecting muscles from oxidative stress. Oats offer a balanced dose of fiber, magnesium, and iron that stabilizes energy and supports muscle function. Avocados deliver healthy fats and potassium to ease joint movement and prevent cramps. Berries provide antioxidants and vitamin C to maintain collagen and reduce muscle fatigue. Greek yogurt boosts muscle repair with protein and aids digestion with probiotics. Nuts offer a compact source of protein, healthy fats, and minerals that support muscle recovery. Spinach supplies iron, calcium, and nitrates to enhance blood flow and muscle strength. And fortified plant-based milks ensure that your bones and muscles get the vitamin D and calcium they need to remain robust. What's remarkable is that these foods are not exotic or hard to find. They're available in most supermarkets and can be incorporated into your daily diet with a little creativity. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a handful of nuts, followed by a smoothie made with Greek yogurt spinach and fortified almond milk. For lunch, a salad featuring grilled salmon and avocado slices, or perhaps a warm bowl of sweet potato stew, can make a significant impact on your energy levels. Even your snacks can be transformed into opportunities to nourish your legs. Swap out processed chips for a small portion of nuts or fresh fruit, and consider a serving of Greek yogurt as an afternoon pick-me-up. The idea is to create a balanced eating pattern, where each meal supports the muscles, bones, and joints that keep you moving. It's important to understand that maintaining leg strength isn't just about preventing weakness. It's about preserving your independence. When your legs are strong, everyday tasks become easier, and the risk of falls or injuries diminishes. This means that activities you love, like walking through a park, dancing at a family gathering, or even playing with grandchildren, remain accessible to you. Your ability to move freely is directly tied to your quality of life, and making smart dietary choices now can pay dividends for years to come. A friend of mine, the nutrition specialist who first opened my eyes to these concepts, always emphasizes that food is the foundation of healthy aging. He explains that while exercise is essential, you can't out-exercise a poor diet. In his experience, the most noticeable improvements come when individuals begin to integrate these nutrient-rich foods consistently into their meals. He has seen patients go from relying on canes or feeling unsteady on their feet to reclaiming the confidence to take longer walks and even enjoy more strenuous activities. The transformation may be gradual, but it's real, and it's empowering. If you're already following an active lifestyle, these foods can help you maintain your current level of mobility and even enhance your performance. And if you're just beginning to notice signs of weakness or fatigue in your legs, starting with these dietary changes can be the gentle push you need to regain strength. It's not about a drastic overhaul overnight. It's about making small, sustainable improvements that add up over time. Whether you're 50, 60, or beyond, there's always room to improve how you feel and how you move. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and adaptability. You can tailor it to fit your preferences, your budget, and your lifestyle. If you're not a fan of salmon, alternatives like mackerel or sardines offer similar benefits. If raw spinach isn't appealing, try kale or Swiss chard instead. The key is to experiment, see what works for you, and stick with it consistently. Over time, these small changes will compound, and you'll notice that tasks that once left you breathless now seem much easier. Your journey to stronger legs is about taking control of your health so you can enjoy everyday moments without fear of falling or feeling restricted. Your legs carry you through each day. They help you rise, stroll in the park, and explore new places, making them essential for your independence and overall quality of life. By nourishing them with nutrient-dense foods like salmon oats and avocado, every bite becomes an investment in keeping your legs strong, agile, and capable of carrying you well into the future. Embrace the process of discovering delicious recipes that boost both your leg strength and overall well-being. And remember that every small, consistent change brings you closer to a more vibrant, independent life. Share this knowledge with your friends and subscribe.